Welcome to the future of your career. Here's why you should not overlook this academic internship opportunity. Firstly, it's a chance to dive into your dream field and apply your classroom knowledge in real-world settings. Opportunities are aplenty. Secondly, the internship perks are immense. From exploring diverse work environments, engaging with customers and clients, to networking with industry professionals and learning from experienced mentors. Eligibility: if you're an ongoing diploma or degree student in any stream, over 18 years of age, and have good English communication skills, you're in. Some details to note: it's a 30 to 60-day immersive learning journey. Upon completion, you'll receive a certificate, and yes, there are paid internships available. You'll need your resume, Aadhaar and PAN card copies, academic certificates, a bona fide certificate, and a passport-size photo. So, are you ready to elevate your career? Apply now through MSure and let's turn those career dreams into a reality. Don't miss out on this chance.